Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. My name is Desiree, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of a brand new deck that I just picked up the other day. This is the Karma cards by Monte Farber. Hope I'm pronouncing that right. Now, I have seen these cards here and there on YouTube, and I've been really curious about them. I don't know anything about how you use them or how they work. It was just a deck that I was really drawn to, and I wanted to learn more about. So with this being the year of 2019, and I'm kind of calling it my depth year, which means I want to go deeper into my studies and into my spiritual practice. And I know this is something that I want to be a part of that. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and we're going to look at it up close together. Let's see. I see it's kind of already, the shrink wrap is already coming undone. So it's a beautiful box. And I apologize if you hear my dog eating in the background. You may hear her collar clinking against her bowl. But wow, this is really nice. You get a gorgeous guidebook, and then the cards are here. So I'm really curious to see these cards, so let's go ahead and open them up. I like the double boxing of these. Okay, so now this is what the card backs look like. You can see it's got the, I guess either way, I guess reversal type of design, where you've got the two faces. And then the deck doesn't seem to be that thick, but then you've got, oh, I see. So you can read the card either way, I guess, depending on how it shows up in the spread. Interesting. Now, I did hear one girl say that a lot of this is based on astrology, which I'm totally into, which is totally fine with me, and that this kind of helps you learn astrology as well, because it's very heavily based on astrology and the sun signs and whatnot. And I do see that. The artwork is very pretty. I'm a Virgo, so I really like this card. So these are going to be definitely interesting. Oh, and then I see it's also got the planetary messages as well. All right, very cool. That one's pretty, the sun. Okay, let's take a look at the guidebook. So it just has a little pocket here, and you just slide it in. So it tells you how to use the cards. And some friendly words of warning. That's interesting. Okay. Signs of the zodiac, Moon, Mars. Okay, so this is something I definitely will have to sit down and read and probably study a bit before I fully understand everything. But it's a beautiful guidebook. Looks like it's very informative. And I am really excited to learn these. Very nice. Okay, so as per usual, once I read the guidebook and start working with the cards, I will definitely come back and do a follow-up video and let you guys know, how I'm liking it, what type of energy and vibe I'm getting from the cards, and whether or not it's something that I would recommend, or just giving you my overall thoughts. So let me know, do you have the karma cards, and have you worked with them if you do? And if you do have them, what do you think? Is it something that you enjoy using, or is it kind of hard to get into? Which I've heard that too. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so, because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.